Acid acceptance testing is a guide for vapor degreaser solvents, N-propyl bromide, trichloroethylene, perchloroethylene, and methylene chloride on the level and quality of stabilizers and assists in maintaining the vapor degreaser bath life. When the acid acceptance level is low, TechChem offers Stabilizer Booster to bring up the level to normal operating range. Caution: it is imperative that the solution bottle caps and kit droppers are kept separate to their respective test solutions to avoid cross-contamination that would yield inaccurate results. It is recommended that the cap and dropper used with the acid acceptance solution be marked, colored sticker, marker, tape, etc., in a manner different from the caustic soda solution as means to identify and separate the caps and droppers. It is also imperative that the solution bottles are capped tightly when not in use. Check the expiration date of the caustic and acid acceptance solution. Using a small container, obtain a solvent sample from the spray wand or rinse pump of the vapor degreaser solvent and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Fill a test tube with 2 milliliters of the vapor degreaser solvent. Again, make sure it is precisely filled because if it's off, it can affect the results. Add 2.2 milliliters acid acceptance solution to the same test tube. Insert stopper, shake the test tube, and let it sit 5 minutes. This is important as the results may be affected. Take a second test tube and add 2 milliliters of acid acceptance solution. Add caustic soda solution until the solution turns completely blue. This usually takes 50 or more drops. When adding the drops, hold the dropper just above the test tube and not inside the test tube, so the drops are more uniform. Record the total number of drops as B. Please note, once you see blue drops fall to the bottom of the test tube, start shaking the test tube until it turns completely blue. If after shaking the test tube it is still yellow, then add 2 more drops each time and shake again. Don't stop counting until the test tube turns completely blue. Go back to the solvent test tube. Take the cooled solvent test tube and add caustic soda solution 2 drops at a time until the solution turns blue. Record the number of drops as A. Shake after you see a blue start to appear. Do not stop counting until the solution turns completely blue. Sometimes the blue will settle on top of the solution, so shake it well. Results: subtract the number of solvent drops A from blank drops B. Use this result and review the quality of the solvent on our detailed acid acceptance result chart and graph for the vapor degreasing solvent you are using. Our test shows B equals 55, A equals 15. The result is 40. Looking at the solvent chart, greater than 10 shows normal operating range. Depending on which solvent you're using, TechChem has a chart to give you the results. If your result shows you are below normal operating range, you can replace the solvent or add Stabilizer Booster to put it back into normal operating range. TechChem, providing technical support for the precision cleaning industry.